How's it going, everybody? Welcome back to another video. My name is Alex. You're watching Izzy's Autos. Today, you have behind me my Datsun 280Z. It's 1977, and we're going to be putting on these good-looking XXR 002s. Okay, so before I show you the wheels and we get into the process, I'll just do a quick little walk around of the Datsun. Pretty stock car overall. I did recently install this MSA Type 1 air dam. It fits okay. There are a couple of spots that you can tell it doesn't fit the best. Don't mind the holes. This was a used one, so I'm gonna have to do a little bit of DIY on that stuff. But stock height, stock springs from what I know. We also do have a rear spoiler that I installed. As you could tell, I did that recently, but other than that, interior is pretty stock. I got the stock carpet, and yes, my other car is a 350Z. Interior, pretty bone stock, as you could tell, but it's actually not too bad shape. The carpet is, well, it's from the 70s, and it kind of smells like old man ball sackness Maximus, but other than that, it's a pretty sweet looking car. So let's take a look at these XXRs. So these are, like I said earlier, XXR 002s, and I've wrapped them in a 205/55/16. This is obviously not the stock color. I did get them in chrome and black. Here's a picture of what they look like. And then I got them painted by a shop here in Edmonton called the Wheel Clinic. They painted these in Evo gray in a satin finish. I think it's a really, really good looking color, and it's gonna, I hope, suit the Datsun quite well here. So anyhow, let's go and throw these on and see how they look. So first thing we're obviously going to do is we're going to be removing the lug nuts. Hopefully these wheels fit. They're a little bit bigger than the stock 14s that are on here, so I'm kind of crossing my fingers. I'm not on coilovers. I don't even think this car has lowering springs. I'm pretty sure it's just stock height, so cross your fingers. Okay, let's take this off. I'm actually so excited to see how these look. I'm really hoping they fit, because it's going to be really awkward and kind of expensive if they don't fit, because I did spend a decent amount of money getting those wheels fixed and repaired. So if they don't fit, Alex is going to be sad. I'm probably going to have to get different lug nuts, because I don't think these are going to fit well. These aren't aftermarket ones, they're stock ones, I'm pretty sure, so probably going to have to get different ones there. Moment of truth. Let's take these off. These are the smallest wheels I think I've ever had on any car. And they're so narrow. Look at that. I don't know if you can see that, but it's less width than my hand. Anyhow, so I'm not going to throw these out, because these hubcaps eventually, I'm assuming, are gonna be worth a little bit of money. So we'll keep these, and yeah, let's mount these bad boys up. So these are they're pretty light overall, actually. Not too bad. Yeah, I'm definitely gonna have to get different lug nuts, because these are not gonna go in all the way. All right, moment of truth. Yeah, I gotta show you this, hold on. Hold on. Okay, just check out the fitment. Oh, this is gonna be close. This is gonna be close, oh damn, okay. All right, moment of truth, let's lower her. Okay, cross your fingers. Oh. Would you just look at that? Just look at it, would you? Just look at it. It's get this off the freaking tripod. Damn. Damn. Let's get this ugly looking. Woo, baby, 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 baby. That's pretty damn good. Oh, look at that, baby. Dude, those rims are just money. I think they look so good on this car. Damn, they look good. All right, so like, honestly, check that out. Ooh, this hair's a bit ridiculous. That looks good, eh? That looks pretty damn good. You gotta admit it. Let's go and focus on the Datsun. There we go. Look at how good that looks, baby. Holy, what night and day difference, huh? With the 14s right there, and then the 16-inch rims. It's actually kind of surprising because I'm looking at it right now, and I thought that the fitment was gonna be a little bit more touch and go kind of thing, really aggressive, but honestly, I think it looks fantastic. So let's go put the other ones on in the rear and see how it looks all together. Okay, let's take this off. Now, for all you Datsun owners, you're probably wondering, how rusty is this Datsun? Is this Datsun messed up around here? It's actually not too bad. The worst part about this car when it comes to rust, back here, because of this muffler, at the time Nissan or Datsun, they didn't actually put a fender liner around here, so all of the dirt and salt and all that stuff just chewed away at the body parts and the chassis of the car on this section. So this is probably the worst part of the car, is in this little area. All right. Did you hear that crack in the knee? Owie. Okay. These wheels, by the way, I know they're only 16s, but they feel really light. Okay, let's go and pop one of these bad boys on. Drum brakes are so ugly now that I actually just look at it. God, they're ugly. And these ones are new ones that were recently installed. Do you mind? They were recently installed, so it's silver. It just looks so tacky, but so let's talk about them. I think they look really, really good. The color of these rims, I was really going for that Pana Sport RS Watanabe color that you see common on pretty much all Datsun S30s. I think this color really goes nicely with the rest of the car, with some of the black accents that you find and whatnot. But you still see the look and design of the wheel, which was something I was really going for. Now, aside from the stance, because this is on stock suspension, what do you guys think? How do you think they turned out? Do they suit the car well? Are they a little awkward looking? What's your opinion? Me personally, I'm really happy with my choice. I'm really happy that they also fit too, even though the stance is not the best given the suspension, but the fitment I think is actually pretty perfect. So I'm really happy I went with the 55 profile tower rather than the 50. It would have given a little bit more of that fender gap with the 50 tire. So of course, maybe it makes the Datsun sit a little bit higher, but at the end of the day, it's probably not even a bad thing when it comes to drivability, because I'm a little bit more function over form kind of person. So, but yeah, let's do a little bit of a montage of what the car looks like right now. Okay, so let's talk about the rear section of the car. I personally think that's the sexiest looking part of the entire vehicle. And I think the wheel really ties everything in nicely with the spoiler as well. So, I don't know, what do you guys think? I know that the fitment is not the best. And obviously, there's a pretty decent fender gap there. And it wouldn't really pass the shoe test, but overall, I think it looks super, super nice. Looks really, really good. All right, guys, thanks so much for watching this video. Hopefully, you think the Datsun looks a little bit nicer now. Best wishes to everyone under this quarantine time. I know some people are scared about it, but hope everyone stays in good health. This is a great chance for all of us car guys to get working on our project cars. So that's what I'm gonna be doing while I'm off work. So if you like this video, hit that like button for me. It's gonna help me out greatly. Consider subscribing as well. There's gonna be a lot more car content coming, especially with spring just around the corner. We're gonna be taking this thing for a drive and doing a test drive review for all of you guys. So thanks so much for watching, and we'll catch you in the next video.